everybody, it's Neil, and I have the new Apple Watch, whatever, Ultra, and this band is ridiculous. I can't stand it, it's huge. Clipping it is just so difficult. So what I did is I found one online, inexpensive, other kind of watch band, so we're gonna switch it out and see how it works, if it works any better. So let's check this one out. I don't know, that's the barcode for it. I don't even remember what brand it is, it says it on there. But whatever, let's check this out and see how it works. Thank you, neighbor, for honking. Open this up. So it is, see, it's the metal band with the magnet thingy, kind of, you know, Apple sells ones just like that. So let's see what we got here. So let's take this one off. And then I'm guessing the long part goes in the bottom and the short part goes on the top. So it'll be like this. So here you can see it just slides in just like the old ones do, here like that. And then this one here, I don't know, maybe this band's gonna look too skinny for such a substantial watch, but this is what it looks like now. So that's it with the band on. And let's put it over my wrist. And actually it's pretty nice. I like it. So that's what it looks like now with this new metal band. And it's pretty nice. It's nice, it's got a little rounded thing here. I had gotten one before that had a sharp one, so that was no good. But this is actually pretty nice. Nice little metal band. And now I have my watch on a metal band, and I don't have to have this big, huge honking piece of plastic on there anymore. So thumbs up for me, I like it. I'll put a link to it in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.